So may I request everyone to please stand for our prayer. So Marky, please lead the prayer. Before you take your seats, kindly arrange your chairs and keep the pieces of paper under it. Okay, thank you. So class, let us recall our classroom rules before we start our discussion. So what are those? So kindly read everyone.
If someone is talking in front, listen carefully and stop talking. Raise your right hand if you want to answer and do not answer in chorus. Respect your teachers.
Okay, very good. So are we clear with our classroom rules?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So let us check your attendance first. So say present if your name is called and say absent on behalf of your classmate who isn't here. Okay? So Alexandra Aguelo, Arcely Aswar,
Present.
Rhea Grace Aswar, Kit Burley Husay, Iana Combate, Marius Regina, Micaela Marie, Mira Jane M. Sabandal. Okay, very good. No one is absent today. Okay, class, before we proceed to our discussion, let's have first a review about our last topic. So what was our last topic all about? Yes, Kit?
Algebraic expression.
So what is algebraic expression?
A mathematical phrase that uses variables.
Okay, very good. So our last topic is all about representing quantities in real-life situation using algebraic expression and equation. So what is equation? Yes, Marty?
Analytical statement indicating the good algebraic expression for it.
Okay, very good. Now, I want you to answer this problem. Please read.
It reads the same number of books each month. Write an expression to represent the number of books it reads in 3 years. Daniel, Patrick, Fish, and then each some. Write the algebraic expression to represent the number of books Daniel has read.
So, who will answer number 1? Yes, Mira? Okay, that's right. So, how about number 2? Okay, Michaela? Okay, very good. So, who among you here watch the movie Turbo? Okay, very good. So now I want you to observe that video clip about Turbo. So from the video, what have you observed? Yes, Alex?
The video is all about turbo speed and racing performance.
Okay, very good. So what is speed? Okay, Kiana? Okay, very good. So what else? What is speed? Yes, Rhea? Okay, very good. So aside from speed, what else have you observed? Yes?
The distance measure.
So what is distance?
The measurement of how far apart two objects are.
Okay, very good. So what else? Yes, Marky?
It is the interval between the cars.
Okay, very good. So aside from speed and distance, what else have you observed? Yes, Regaina?
Time measure.
Okay, very good. So what is time? Okay, Kit?
Time measure the duration of events.
Okay, very good. So what else? Yes, Marky?
It is the interval between the cars.
Okay, very good. That's great. So now, what do you think is our lesson for today?
Speed, time, distance.
Okay, very good. So our lesson for today is calculating speed, distance, and time. So at the end of the lesson, we will be able to please read.
Describe speed, distance, and time. Solve problems involving speed, distance, and time. Apply knowledge of speed, distance, and time in real-life situations.
So am I being understood? Okay, very good. So as I mentioned earlier, we talk about speed, distance, and time. So what is speed? Yes, Diana? Okay, very good. So please read what is speed.
Speed. This scalar was the speed that refers to how fast an object is moving.
So okay, very good. So speed can be thought of as rate by which an object covers distance. So for example, N is 55 kilometers per hour. So what are the common units of speed? Yes, Marty?
Meters per second.
Okay, very good. What else? Yes, Rhea?
Miles per hour.
Okay, very good. So in calculating speed, this is the formula. The triangle mnemonic device for remembering the formula to calculate speed, time, and distance. So to find speed, power S, the formula becomes d distance divided by time. So am I being understood? Okay, very good. So here, can you please read the problem, Alex?
A dog running 50 meters in 8 seconds has enough energy to move in its direction and reach a desired point fast enough due to the amount of inertia in its body.
Okay, thank you. So kindly solve this problem. In 2 minutes, I will call somebody to solve on the board. So answer. Okay, who will solve the problem? Yes, Mira? So what operation did you use to get the final answer? Okay, very good. So give her a round of applause, please. So how about distance? What is distance? Yes, Marky.
The amount of space between the objects.
Okay, very good. So kindly read what is distance.
Is the distance.
Okay, very good. So can you give me an example of distance? Okay, Marky. Okay, very good. So kindly solve this problem. Marky, please read the problem.
Roy's bicycle can run 983 meters in 1 hour. If we drive 5 hours, how far will we go?
Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to solve the problem. Are you done? Who wants to answer the problem? Yes, Marky. 9,950 meters. Okay, very good. Please sit down. So how about time? What is time? Take it.
Time measure the duration of events.
Okay, please read.
Time is the quantity measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists or continues.
Okay, very good. So can you give me examples of the units of measurement of time aside from hours? Yes, Steve?
Minutes and seconds.
Okay, very good. So how many minutes in 1 hour? Yes, 60 minutes. Okay, very good. So how many seconds are in 1 hour? Yes, Rebecca? Okay, very good. So since you already know the formula for speed and distance, what about finding the time? What is the formula? Yes, Lira?
Time distance over speed.
Okay, very good. So this is the formula in finding time. So I have here an example problem about time. So please read it.
Alex needs to travel 380 miles from town. His car travels at 60 miles per hour. How long will it take him to reach your town?
Okay, very good. So who will solve the problem? Yes, it. Is that your final answer? So how did you get your final answer?
By dividing 380 miles and 60 miles per hour.
Where did miles go? Okay, can you? Okay, very good. So give him a round of applause. To find any of three variables, speed, distance, and time, cover the unknown variable in the triangle. So the remaining part of the triangle shows you the calculation you need to perform. So am I being understood? So did you already know how to find speed, time, and distance?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So what was our lesson for today?
Speed, size.
Okay, very good. So what is speed? Yes, Kiana? Okay, very good. So what are those units in speed? Yes, Martin?
Minutes per second.
Okay, what else? Yes, Rhea?
Miles per hour.
Okay, very good. So what is distance? Do you have any idea? Yes, Martin?
The one to this is double.
Okay, very good. So what are those unit in distance? Yes, Kim?
Millimeter, centimeter, centimeter.
Okay, very good. So, what is time? Yes, Kim?
Time measure the duration of event.
Okay, very good. So, what are those units of time? Yes, Alex? Okay, very good. So, are you ready for your activity?
Yes, teacher.
So, for your activity entitled Scavenger Hunt. So, in this activity, I will divide you in two groups. So, this is group 1 and this is group 2. Am I being understood?
Yes.
Each team starts at a different station. So, a team member picks a card. So, dili ang group 2, group 1. So, once a team solves a problem, you move to the next station and repeat the process. Team should proceed in a clockwise to avoid progression. So, each time uses a stopwatch or cell phone to record their total time to solve all 5 problems correctly. So, the team with the shortest time to solve all 5 problems correctly is the winner. So, kinsa tong pinamuan na oras no to ang winner. Okay, very good. So, this is the point system with penalties. So, each correctly solved problem is equal to 20 points. So, if naay wrong, madida of 5 points and the total points is 100 points. So, am I being understood?
Yes, teacher.
So, are you ready?
Yes,
Let's start.
No.
Masaya mo lang. So are you done?
Yeah, sure.
The first team is Sinanga group. Okay, so let's see if your answer is correct. So what is the answer of trouble problem? Kate and Marty. So what is the answer of trouble problem? What? Okay, very good. So that is correct. So each correctly solved problem got 20 points. So you write on your answer sheet 20 points. You put 20 points in trouble problem. Okay, next. Fighting problem. Tiana and Rhea. Please read your answer. Fighting problem. Your final answer, please read, ha? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. So you got 20 points. Fighting. 20 points. So who wants to answer car problem? Yes? Listen up. 1, 2, 3, go.
60 kilometers per hour.
Okay, very good. So you got the correct answer. Because your answer is wrong, deduct 5 points. Deduct 5 points. Okay, next. Okay, who wants to answer running problem? So Marky and Mira, please stand up. I will count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
8.33 meters per second.
Okay, very good. So you got both correct answer. For the last problem, the walking problem, please answer Alex and Pete. I will count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1.25 minutes per second. Here. Sigbo. Ang silong isa.
20, 40, 60, 180.
Wait, ayun.
Sabay doon sa lista at direct mo na sila tayo. Sige, add your total score. Then I will record your score. Are you done?
Yes, teacher.
So please submit your paper. So for your quiz, please read the direction.
Read and choose the letter of the correct answer.
So am I being understood?
Yes,
I will give you 15 minutes to answer those questions. For your test 2, solve each problem with solution. So calculate the distance 3 hours at 40 kilometers per hour. Calculate the time 200 kilometers at 20 kilometers per hour and calculate the speed 10 minutes and 30 seconds. So I will give you the remaining time to answer the problem. Are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay. Are you done, class? Please raise your right hand if you're done, huh? Are you all done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, pass your papers in front. So for your assignment, please read
What